When it comes to fueling your body with the energy it needs to thrive, not all carbohydrates are created equal. Some simply provide quick bursts of sugar with very little nutritional value, while others do far more. They nourish, sustain, and even help your body unlock the very energy they contain. Among the best carbohydrate sources you can choose are whole grains. These aren't just complex carbs that digest more slowly. They are also rich in a unique set of nutrients that help your body turn food into fuel. And at the heart of this transformation process are the B vitamins, particularly B1 thiamine, B3 niacin, and B5 pantothenic acid. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, quinoa, and whole wheat are especially rich in these key nutrients, making them a gold standard for anyone looking to optimize energy metabolism in a natural and balanced way. Let's start with a closer look at brown rice. Often overshadowed by its more processed cousin, white rice, brown rice retains its outer bran and germ layers, where most of the B vitamins live. That's important because these layers are stripped away during the refining process. Brown rice is especially rich in thiamine, or vitamin B1, a nutrient that plays a critical role as a coenzyme in the metabolism of carbohydrates. Thiamine helps your body convert glucose, the sugar that results from digesting starches, into usable energy through its role in the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. Without it, your ability to break down carbohydrates efficiently drops dramatically. What's remarkable about brown rice is that it doesn't just provide the carbohydrate fuel, it also supplies the very micronutrient needed to metabolize that fuel. It's like getting both the gas and the spark plug in one bite. Then there are oats, one of the most balanced and nourishing grains available. Not only do they offer a steady release of complex carbohydrates, they also pack a notable amount of niacin, or vitamin B3. Niacin is essential for forming NAD and NADP, two coenzymes that are directly involved in the transfer of energy from glucose during cellular respiration. In other words, niacin helps make sure that the energy from your oats doesn't just sit there, it actually gets converted into ADP, the energy currency of your cells. Oats also contribute to your intake of B5, or pantothenic acid, which supports the formation of coenzyme A, another key molecule in the citric acid cycle that helps your body break down carbs, fats, and proteins. The synergy is remarkable. Oats contain the starch your body craves in the morning, along with the vitamins needed to turn that starch into clear-headed energy. Quinoa, while technically a seed, functions as a whole grain in your diet and is especially valuable because it's naturally gluten-free, protein-rich, and dense in B vitamins. Quinoa contains notable amounts of thiamine and pantothenic acid, making it a great energy booster for those with sensitivities to traditional grains. Its complex carb structure provides a slow, sustained source of glucose, while the embedded B vitamins support its efficient metabolism. Quinoa's complete protein profile and mineral richness only add to its status as one of the most balanced carbohydrate sources available. When included regularly in your diet, quinoa offers a powerful combination of plant-based fuel and metabolic support, something that's especially valuable in vegetarian or plant-forward eating patterns. And finally, we have whole wheat, one of the most common and misunderstood sources of carbohydrates. While refined wheat products like white bread often lose much of their nutritional value, true whole wheat keeps all three parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means it retains its natural B vitamin content, including high levels of niacin and pantothenic acid. Whole wheat is an especially good source of vitamin B3, which, as mentioned earlier, plays a central role in the oxidative pathways of carbohydrate breakdown. Whether it's in the form of whole wheat bread, pasta, or bulgur, this grain delivers far more than just calories. It provides the enzymatic support your body needs to use those calories effectively. What's even more impressive is how these whole grains complement each other nutritionally. A breakfast of oats, a lunch with quinoa, and a dinner of brown rice or whole wheat pasta can easily provide a strong foundation of B1, B3, and B5 throughout the day. And because these vitamins work together in carbohydrate metabolism, each acting as a coenzyme in different phases of the process, eating a diverse mix of whole grains ensures that no step in the energy pathway is left unsupported. It's worth noting, too, that unlike supplements, these nutrients in whole grains come wrapped in fiber, phytonutrients, and antioxidants that support digestion, heart health, and blood sugar regulation. That's something isolated vitamins can't replicate. The fiber slows down the absorption of glucose, keeping blood sugar stable and energy levels even. Meanwhile, the micronutrients quietly get to work behind the scenes, helping you extract every bit of energy possible from the food you eat. So when we talk about energy, clarity, and stamina throughout the day, we're not just talking about calories. We're talking about how effectively your body can convert those calories into usable power, and whole grains, thanks to their rich supply of B1, B3, and B5, do that better than almost any other carbohydrate source. They don't just feed you, they fuel you. In a world full of fast, empty carbs, whole grains stand out as one of nature's most intelligent energy sources.